What is art? Is the response of man's creative soul to the call of the real. Welcome back, everyone. This beautiful interpretation is one among the many spoken by India's most respected Sri Rabindranath Tagore, author of Gitanjali and the first Asian to ever win the Nobel Prize in Literature. Sri Rabindranath Tagore was one of the most widely regarded Indian literary figure of all time, and this year the nation celebrated and honored him on his 150th birth anniversary. And since Dubai is like an extended part of India, we continued the celebration here. Since Sri Rabindranath Tagore was always a keen representative of the art, his tribute was a heart-rending performance by the dance troupe of the celebrated dancers and choreographers Ms. Tanushree Shankar and the famous singer and celebrity Mr. Sahib Chatterjee. Sheikh Rashid Auditorium was packed with an audience of dance and music enthusiasts who enjoyed an evening of rich culture and entertainment.
At the very outset, I would really like to explain the technique that we are using. I usually try not to use the term contemporary, but we call it the Shankar technique of new dance because it's based on the path shown by my father-in-law, Udaya Shankar. It is very, very, the spirit is very Indian, but the presentation is modern. It has a universal appeal, and I think it definitely will appeal to the people because it's very interactive. The audience will be able to understand all that we are trying to say. So it's a different form, totally. It's a completely different new technique of style that we're trying to portray here.
कहा गया है कि the truest expression of people is in its dance and its music. Bodies never lie, and that is what made this commemoration so moving. Let's go over to take a look at the energetic performance at the Dubai Dance Festival. Believe me, I'm a dancer. Whether you are a ballet buff or a flamenco fanatic, the third annual Dubai Dance Festival had something to get everybody in a spin. Held at the First Group Theatre at Madinah Jumeirah, the festival is the region's largest showcase for umpteen different styles of dance, from African to belly dancing to samba to hip-hop. With more than 25 workshops catering to all levels of ability, the performers range from international to local students, dancers, all putting in their heart and soul for the musical show, Believe Me, I Am a Dancer. With the organizer of the event as well as some of the performing artists to get their view on this event.
It's called Believe Me, I'm a Dancer, and it's a story of maybe many of us that are out there that some person, some place or thing or situation said you were too big, too small, too light, too dark to be a dancer. You're never going to be anything on stage. And it's about if you pursue it long enough, you keep believing in yourself, you can still be a dancer.
It brings the entire dance community together, and it's an avenue where all the dancers, irrespective of whether it's salsa or tango or hip-hop, they all get together, and they at least once a year they all share the stage, from students to children to professionals as well. And we also get an opportunity to welcome international dancers to Dubai and also showcase some of the best talents that we have locally as well. So yeah, it's great.
I started dancing when I was 3 years old because I was a shy kid, believe it or not. So my parents thought that they would put me in dance class so that I would interact with other kids and get over my shyness. So that was age 3, and that's 30 years ago. So I've been tap dancing and doing all kinds of stuff since.
I performed for 15 years. And then I decided to take my training further. So I went to UK and I trained for 6 years. So I was performing in companies. I trained at Laban, I trained in Cambridge. And then I found myself here after sort of almost 20 years dancing and performing experience.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I know you want me. You know I want you. I know you want me. You know I want you. I know you want me. You know I want you. I know you want me. You know I want you. Ella quiere su rumba. Si es verdad que tú eres guapa, yo te voy a poner a gozar. Tú tienes la boca grande, dale, ponte a jugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3.
Absolutely fantastic.
Well, they're fantastic.
Oh, it was amazing.
They did a great job.
I felt good. It was awesome.
Dancing reveals all the mystery that music conceals, so get your dancing shoes and get moving. It's time for me to take a short break. See you in a bit. After the break, we have the winning combination of star cast of the movie Rajneeti.